What's up, guys? Today we're at the UOG Fieldhouse. We're gonna go ahead and check out this cool event called the Foodie Fest. Let's go, come with me, and we'll see what this is about. Let's go. My first time here at this Guam Foodie Fest at the UOG. Let's go. Yeah, they have some free ice cream. Yes, please. Can I try this one?
The chocolate.
What is it called? Oh, Yema. Okay, that sounds good. Give that a try. So I'm getting some free ice cream here at Foodie Fest. This is my first time coming to this Foodie Fest.
Me too.
What's it about?
It's about trying like different, you know, like the nooks in the mall.
Oh.
Those hidden crannies.
Yeah?
So it's kind of like introducing like new product.
New stuff?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
And things that not everybody tries.
Oh, okay, like the hidden one?
Tree over there.
Is there more outside or anything?
No, it's just in here.
Oh, okay, thank you.
You know, given that it's really hot outside.
Ah, yeah, that's perfect.
And you don't want to try nothing.
You're right. I'm gonna try this ice cream from you guys.
Yes.
Thank you very much. What is it, San Miguel? Filipino?
Yes, yes, San Miguel local.
Filipino local ice cream. Let's give it a try. We'll go over here. So this is chocolate lemma. There's a chocolate, but there's a certain taste in this. One big bite. Ice cream.
It's taro. This one is like a taro with a cheese.
Taro ube.
Yeah.
Sweet potato. Yeah.
Oh,
With cheese. Kind of interesting.
I like it.
Good stuff. Woo. Thank you. All right. All right. Let's go check out more of this cool Foodie Fest here. There's a schedule of events. I'm not sure what this is. You gotta get I'm not sure, tickets, team food challenges. There's even more. We'll go around and look first before we come back to this. Let's go. They even have a ITD charging station here. Awesome. Hi guys, half a day. This is my first Foodie Fest. Yeah.
Enjoy.
Thank you. All right, go ahead. There's even more. There's like health fairs. Hi guys, half a day. You can check your blood sugar and monitoring station. I just ate ice cream, but it's probably gonna be high. So we'll go ahead and do it. I just gotta sign?
Yeah.
Okay, let me sign up. I'll try it out. I'm gonna go ahead and do this blood test. Yeah, I'll give you my card later. Any finger. Oh, I'm gonna get poked?
Yeah.
Ah! I don't know what I signed up for. Alright, let's go. Ow. Not really, but got a little poke in here. It's 8 now when I first came.
Just only ice cream?
Yeah, only ice cream. 98?
Yeah, perfect.
What is the...
90 to 100. But you just ate ice cream, so it's
Okay, so what's like over high?
When you like over 120,
That's high?
Then you have to check your doctor.
Okay.
But you're good, 90.
I'm good, guys. And we're doing this health screening here at the UOG Foodie Fest.
I do this at the mall too, the last time when there's a lion.
Mac and cheese.
What is that?
That is really bad.
I have high blood pressure?
Yeah.
Really? Maybe because I get pissed off?
Maybe
Nah.
like
High
you're
blood.
walking around. Take a deep breath. Then we'll try to find a gate.
Yes, my love.
So they're also giving away free vegetables. You got free carrots, free corn. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
And these are all like local farmers owned or like?
Muslim.
Awesome. Awesome.
This is good.
Giving away free corn.
You can get 3 of them.
Okay, cool. Thank you. And then carrots? We can also get some free. You can also get some free carrots here at Foodie Fest. Pretty healthy. There you go. One's fine or what? Yeah. There you go. We'll put it here. All right. Thank you. So that's cool. They also have like free veggies here at Foodie Fest. And there's a circus going on. I'll show you some of that. Cool, they even have the Super All-American Circus over here doing a cool short exhibition. You guys like skating, man. Good stuff. Skateboards, too. Some of that, and over here there's mostly more. We're gonna go check out Burger King. Get Mikhail get a cool hat, hopefully, and I don't know what else they have. They also have some face painting. Nice. Ooh, nice Burger King. All right, Mikhail, you try. So I think. Oh, it's what do you win?
You can win cheeseburger and ice cream.
Ooh, awesome! Yeah. Thank you. Hey, brother. I'll film you in a bit. I'm gonna check this out.
Here, and then you can go ahead and spin to win, bud. Wow. Try it out, try it out.
You get it. Oh, you got it.
Oh, try one more time, one more time.
One more time.
One more time, go ahead, I'm not looking. High five, high five. Here you go, buddy. That one's yours.
What are you gonna say? What are you gonna say, Mikhail? Thank you. All right, let me try. Hopefully I get a burger. I got a, what's this? 7?
A blank.
A blank.
Try one more time. One more time.
10.
Just spin until you win.
You got a cheeseburger. Awesome.
There you go.
Thank you very much.
The plus.
Oh, okay.
You can get a free kids circus ticket.
Awesome.
And you just have to buy the adult ticket.
Oh, cool. We even got this cool free ticket.
Yeah. So
awesome.
you can scan the QR code.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Wow, they even gave me a free kids ticket. So if I'm gonna go check out this circus, you get a free kids ticket for Mikhail. That's pretty cool. And also, there's face painting over here as well. Maybe Mikhail will try that out later. We'll go ahead and check out more. They had the coconut tree up. I think they already packed down. We'll go ahead and check out this fruits. There's like a fruits vendor. Are these also free like the vegetables?
No.
What is
this?
This
one's 5 voucher tickets.
Okay.
So they're the cookie bananas. This is one. These are one. You get one free mango since we have a lot. And then if you want a second one, then it's one.
Okay.
Dragon fruit is 3.
Okay, thank you. I'll be right back. That's cool. So you also have to get these voucher tickets to purchase certain things. It's kind of like a Japanese festival where you need to get like a ticket. I gotta go find the tickets. I know it's just down over there. I don't know my route for this. I'm just randomly strolling around. But I'll show you more of this cool foodie fest. Yeah, look, you can color. There's also cool coloring stations here. You can get it over here. Over here, man. Right here, they have crayons. You can color. You got feather pens over here. They're doing their thing. Feather pens, cool hats. I like this. It's also new era. Good stuff. We'll go ahead and show you more of what else they have here. This one is how That's cool. They have like craft work, keychains, and more. And of course, as you can see over there, the Super American Circus that they have. And they got Gemma Knights. Shout outs to. How are you?
I'm good.
Shout outs to Gemma Knights over here doing their thing. You check them out. These are cool. See you later. Bye, Bev. All right, we're gonna go check out this next one down. I think it's called Cast a Spell. They also have like random cool little. Oh, cool! You can make like earrings and cool keychains. All types of cool stuff. Oh wow! Even like. Oh damn! They even have some. Wow, these are cool. They have some cool patches. Some one-piece patches. There's even some what's that? Ghibli patches and more. That's pretty cool. And over here, hi, thank you. They have the Super American Circus, like I was saying. That's cool. I'm not sure what else they have here, but we'll go ahead and stroll around and show you more of this Foodie Fest. Mikhail's coloring. Nice. So they also have like some food plates. I'm not sure what this one is. Oh, it's Jamaican grill. And it has some kadun pork, kalua pork, and a fiesta plate, I believe. Also, like earlier, this is where you actually go to get these tickets. Somewhat like a Japanese festival. These are the ticket booth over here. Okay, so there's also all these other stuff that's going to happen later on today. Not bad. We'll keep going, show you more around down here. You saw me show you guys everything else here. But we're gonna go ahead and check out the imminent tent. They also have the cool culture knives from Chef Dylan. Check it out. This one's cool. Looks like a skateboard. Beautiful. Beautiful knives, man. Cutlery, you know. Awesome. Yeah, bro. So catch you later. And of course, you got the beautiful tees from Imminent. Some tote bags, some tees, some random tees, and some of their new drops over here. I'm not sure what this one is. I think it's a photo booth. I think you need to, I'm not sure how much it is. Oh, cool. How much tickets does this one go for?
No ticket.
Oh, it's free? Awesome. I'll be back. Thank you. And then they also have a cool 360 photo stuff by Still Entertainment. You put your phone here and does like a 360 video for you. I'm not sure if that's free as well, but yeah, that's what we have here in Foodie Fest right now, 2024. All right, over here we have Ice Una. That is really cool. So Ice Una is cool. I have a video of it. It's in Tumon. It has some Taiwanese snow ice over here. Can I take one of their menus? Thank you very much. Look at that. Taiwanese snow ice and all that cool stuff. Ice Una, shout out to them. They also have some here. You could also pay. Wow, this is a really good stuff. I have a video. I'll probably put it down in the description or on the top link later for you guys. But Ice Una, they have it here. You can make your own Ice Una. That's cool. And they also have some drinks just down there. I'm not sure what else they have here. And of course, they have Savage over here. We'll go ahead and check out Savage. They have really cool stuff. They don't have seasoning. That's pretty cool. Hey, brother. And fairy dust. Sounds a little sketch, but there you go. And they also have, it's a panini press. They have I'm not sure what it is. Like sandwiches.
That one?
Yeah, what did you get?
They open up the chips and they put some ground, like a chili, and then you put some all these
like the one they do in steak?
Yeah.
How much is it? Or how much tickets?
4 tickets. So $8.
Thank you, brother. Oh, that's pretty cool.
Like almost like Emery's.
Oh, yeah. That's a good way to put it. Nice. And they also have Lit over here, which is like a bimbop bowl. Oh, they don't eat Nancy. Not bad. Hey, brother, how much is it? Go for.
This is a display. We're done already.
Oh, you're done? Okay.
We have the rice bowl and Nancy.
All right, so we're here lining up to get some tickets so we can try out some of the great food that they have over there for this Foodie Fest. Hi guys. I'm just gonna try out like some small stuff. I don't need that much tickets. How much would you recommend? Like 10 bucks worth?
Yeah. So $10 gives you 6 tickets. To give you an example, that's like the shave ice is $2 or 2 tickets. I'm sorry.
Okay.
And like they have extra toppings for like an extra ticket. So that was killing up regular.
I'll do 10 first. And then if I can, I'll run back.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do that.
Do you guys have military ID?
There's 6 tickets.
Okay, thank you very much. All right. So to give these cool tickets, they're like vouchers for this Foodie Fest. Again, like I said, it kind of works as like a Japanese festival. So you give these tickets and you get the food. We'll go ahead and try one and we'll see what else we can find here. All right, we're gonna try this Savage.
So they just bought the last one.
Oh, okay. No worries. All right. No worries. So we just took a photo over here at this green screen and did a cool Guam Foodie Fest thing right here. Awesome. It's free as well. What's in it, brother?
So we have chili.
Awesome.
Our chef's grandma's
Secret recipe.
County fair winner, man.
Awesome, bro. Yo, my first time trying it like this. Yeah.
Genius, actually.
I used to see it kind of like in the States.
Yeah.
Ooh, that looks good, man. Yo. So this is a Fritos pie that we got here at Savage Sandwich Co. Awesome. Give that bad boy a try. Thank you, brother.
Enjoy.
Ooh, it's hot. We gotta mix it up. Mix this up first. Give it a try. Oh, smells like a burrito. So super good. Also, we're gonna try out this ice una.
Like brown sugar or chocolate?
Anything for you. I'm more into this. Yeah, no worries. What's the best one?
Honestly, information.
All right, there you go.
No, it's okay. He's not eating
No, I'm not gonna eat it. Don't worry.
No. Maybe we just get a. I just get a chocolate.
All right. Awesome. Look at that. They're making the cool shave ice. Hi, Hafide. Vlogger.
Yeah.
Thank you. I'm doing one right now.
Huh?
I'm doing one right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Next.
No worries. Also, the cool thing about these ice una, a more simpler version. I know the one down in 2 months more better. Ah,
It's okay.
no worries. Still better. Still, I love it. Thank you. All right, look at that. Woo-hoo. Chocolate. And of course, their shave ice is really like light, so it really melts right away in your mouth. That's a really cool thing about ice una. So we're gonna go try out this Fritos pie. Mix it up really good. Kind of like a burrito, to be honest, in my opinion. I'm trying to mix this bad boy up. We'll taste how it tastes, just for you on this Foodie Fest. Yeah, it's like a really good burrito. Woo. Jen and Mikhail's eating this ice una. How's it taste?
It's good. Tastes like chocolate.
Chocolate shaved ice. Woo. Mikhail's enjoying this ice una. Yeah, you can see yourself, huh, boy? What do you think about that, Jen?
It's good.
What it tastes like?
Nachos.
Yeah, it's like a nachos or burrito. Good stuff, though.
Yeah.
All right, so that was Foodie Fest here at UOG. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. My name is Mark. Peace. I'm out.